Congress leader Manish Tiwari said it was a pity that the BJP was intent on hawking off the country's priceless heirlooms. He was referring to the rail budget announced yesterday that talks of huge involvement of the private sector. He called it a PPP, public-private partnership budget, saying there was nothing in it for the poor. Tiwari called it a pro-rich budget with no new scheme, no new plan and no new rail line.
Well, the budget was very high on rhetoric and low on delivery. It did not seem to be a railway budget. It seemed to be a statement to sell the family silver. Privatization and the public-private partnerships were the swan songs of the budget. The revenue accruals out of 14% fare hike as to where they would be utilized has not been spelled out. So it seems that an institution which has been built up by public expenditure over 100 years, the Bharatiya Janata Party wants to actually sell it off to private interests. So therefore, this is would be a travesty and a very, very cruel joke on the millions and millions of Indians, who use the railways every day for their daily commuting. Well, these are all fantasy projects. These are all things which have been put into the budget in order to sort of, put the icing on the cake. These are not projects which are implementable. This government is not going to be there for 15 years, or forget that, even for 8 years. So therefore, if you are going to put proposals in the budget which are extremely an exercise in fantasy making, and over and above that not back them up even with the appropriate funding or a road map, it is just another attempt to befool the people. Well, that's precisely what I'm saying, that in the sense that if at all the railway minister has a grudge with his predecessors, let them come out with a white paper on the health of the railways. In fact, the first thing that they should have done is first come out with a white paper on the health of the railways. We would have known as to what the facts are. But if you read the railway minister's budget speech, the first part of the budget speech, which is devoted to praising the railways, is an indirect praise of the work which the previous government has done. Well, the only expectation which the ordinary people of India have is that these people walk the talk and they deliver on the electoral rhetoric, which they waxed eloquent when they were in the run-up to the elections or in the 10 years that they spent in the opposition.
Powered by NNIS.